Hi, I'd like to wish all the viewers of News Today health and happiness always.
both sides দেখেন যখন সার্চিং হয় এদের কতগুলো প্রিন্সিপাল আছে।
Gross slippage of the bank in the quarter 4 has come 1017 crores only. If we compare to the last quarter, it was in a 1400 crores. If we go to this, the first quarter of this financial year, 1900 crores. So in that sense, that gradually this quarter has come to this very good achievement of the slippage, fresh slippage. Out of this, if we go to this, the major is an EV. EV portfolio, we have seen that the 632 crores has come as a fresh slippage, which last quarter it was a 993 crores. So 1/3 of this, the slippage have been come down. There were recoveries and upgradation to the tune of INR 516 crore. We expect the run rate further improve in this financial year. Even in this quarter also we have been seeing. If I go to this, again to deepening on this part, EEB portfolio, our SMA 0, what we say that the 1 day to 30 days DPD, our book last quarter it was in 802 crores, it has come down to 380 crores. Similarly, if I go to the SMA 1, 31 to 60 days, last quarter it was in a 566 crore, has come down to 403 crores. In the same way, SMA 2, which is called the 61 to 90 days DPD, last quarter 524 crores has come down 480 crores. In all together, we have been seeing that the DPD 0 to 2, whatever we count about the 90 days up to, we have been seeing that a very good improvement has come, which was in the last quarter 3.3% of the total portfolio has come down to 2%, and which was in the last financial year in a March quarter 5.6%. So that will be like to show that how improvement has come to this the portfolio quality, which can be make a trend in this financial year, means 24-25 will be like the best way to come as a pre-pandemic situation. The financial year 24 book, consisting of all loans disbursed from the April to 23, in turning out to the strong one, I am giving the another door. The gross NPA ratio of the financial year 24, which we are disbursed in a 65,000 crores in a EEB, and there the total as of now 160 crores as a NPA, and which is the 0.23% of the total advances. If I go to this, the similar amount of that, the last financial year 22-23, it was in a more than double. So that is also again given the confidence to the bank and to all of us how quality of the portfolio is improved. DPD also showing that the is coming down, and it has been helped to the bank to future quality of the portfolio grown, and of course this efficiency help the bank to profitability increase. Coming to the profitability, after this the 3,852 crores in that the written off, then also the bank have been net profit done in a full year 2,229 crores, which was in a last year 2,195 crores. I will just to mention again in here 2,195 crores added last year there is a 916 crores has come from CGFMU. For that region, it has come to that much. If we remove on that, it's a very good improvement has come to the profit growth. Our net interest income in financial year 24 reached 10,326 crores compared to that of 9,260 crores in the last year. And registering this NII growth has come 11.5%. Our annualized net interest margin has remained in the 7.3% for the full year compared to the last financial year 7.2%. The total credit cost has been stable. If I say that in the quarter 4, it is in 5.8% because of the write-off. If we not count as a write-off, credit cost is around 2.3%. And we see that it will be further coming down because of the quality of the portfolio are improving. The bank delivered on ROA 1.4% and ROE 10.7%, and all are little bit impact from written off. The bank continue with an emphasis on its the branch network. This quarter, we have added 53 branches, and this the full year we are added 299 branches. Today, the bank has the branch presence in 35 states and union territory out of 36. I also want to highlight how our performance in the digital banking has improved further. 96% of our total general banking transactions happen digitally. The growth in digital registration is up 26% year on year. UPI transaction increased to 52% year on year. The bank expanded its government deposits based by cultivating close ties with the variety of public sector undertakings, including Maharatnas, Navaratnas, Mini Ratna, and making inroads with various state governments in the country. Coming to this, going forward, we expect the growth momentum across major business vertical to continue for the next financial year and onwards, and building a strong retail franchise. We know that Bandhan Bank have around the 6,300 network across the country out of 35 states and union territory out of 36, and we reached in that the 3 crores 36 lakhs the customers as of now, and which have been helped us in the future grow the business. Our focus will continue on the rural and semi-urban in any whole of the country. Bank is driving a strategy of liability first. We are build up a best liabilities model in our bank historically from the beginning, and will be like to continue to develop the franchise, focusing on that CASA, focusing on that the retail, and of course will be like to provide the services in the rural and semi-urban is more. Growth momentum in microcredit will be continued, along with the housing and other business vertical which I mentioned in my speech. Of late, after the successful completion of migration into the new CBS system, and have initiated several steps to boost cross-sale and the branch-led sales to grow the retail assets and liabilities portfolio and also to increase productivity for employee support by our digital and analytical initiative. The bank is in the hands of seasoned talent leaders who will take the strong risk culture ahead. Bank have a very good and strong process to drive the business. And bank has also strong risk culture and strong governance practice, which helped the bank the future Bandhan 2 to grow under the new leadership in the bank. I wish you and your family all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.